welcome to Signage, and I want to talk about some of the major services that Signage does, so that you're able to understand in case you might need one of the services. You will be able to understand what we do provide in terms of products, in terms of services. One of the major area of our service provision that we do is that we are a company that does manufacture of 3D signs. We do LED signs, we do street signs, we also do road signs, office signs, basically talk of all types of signages that you can have in either your business, either your office, either in the streets. And apart from the signage service, which is very wide, our company also has also specialization in production and preparation of promotional materials, and these will range from things like corporate branding. What do we mean by corporate branding? Corporate branding is quite wide in the sense that we look at the corporate identity of your organization, and we're able to provide you with a wide range of services from the logos all the way to apparels that your staff or your people are able to use within the business. Then we also do corporate gifts and items, whereby if you are in the business world, gifting and presents are some of the things that either encourage the people that are working for your company, or sometimes they do make a lasting impression to your customers. That if a customer is able to buy products maybe worth 20,000, the customer is given probably a branded pen for your company, is given a branded bag, and all those things. We also do event management, that in case you might be having a corporate event and you need your services, you need your brand to be visible, we provide you with either you get consultancy services, or you actually get the real product that are going to be used in that particular event, ranging from backdrop media banners, roll-up banners, teardrops, telescopic flags, among so many others. Street pole advertisements, we also do street pole advertisement based on what you need in the location and the duration that you might need for this particular street pole advertisement. We also do what is called large format printing. Basically, large format printing is a kind of printing that you do print on large media, whereby you can either be interested to have your banners printed, you might be interested to have your glass areas, having print work, you might be interested to have either your event spaces being, branded using printed vinyl. We also do embroidery, whereby we do logo impression by stitching the logo on your either could be apparel, ranging from either shirts, it could be hoodies, could be overalls, dust coats, among many others. The other service that we provide is that we do what is called digital printing. And in digital printing, we do provision of, printing of business cards, flyers, brochures, among many others. These are some of the services that our studios offer, and these services are basically meant to increase your footfall in terms of, clientele movement and the number of customers that are able to get into your space and leave a marked impression into getting to be able to be part and parcel of your business. Thank you.